Alright, what's up guys? Today I have an in-depth explanation on how to use the textures in MCreator. So first we're going to take a little look at what other types of textures you can make and how to use them. There's blocks, there's items, there's entities, there's potion effects, there's particles, and so on, like GUIs, overlays, armors. And the better you get at texturing, the more it will feel like a walk in the park. So there's 4 different types of textures that you can create in a canvas. So what we have in store to work with is transparency, color, template, and no layer. Transparency is the default. It starts out with a blank canvas, so you can go from there. Now color, its name pretty much says it all. The whole canvas will start out as a certain color as you pick. Template is a little bit different. MCreator has some built-in templates that you can choose from. Templates are basically like stamps, and you can also make your own templates by navigating through the files and putting your own files in. There's not really that much no layer, it's basically just no layers. I mean, you can't even draw, even with the pencil thing. I wasn't really able to draw anything when I was testing it out. And you can also set a custom size to your canvas, horizontally and vertically, but the normal is 16 by 16. That's just normal Minecraft textures. So here we are on the canvas. There's quite a lot of stuff to work with. As you'll see here in the top right, there's a little pencil icon. That little pencil up there will allow us to draw whatever we want. But first we're going to set our colors. So here we have a little HSV where we can set our hue, our saturation, our value, and our transparency. We'll leave it on black for now. As you can see here, we can draw whatever we want. With this tool, anything is possible. I'm not going to go too much into shapes because it's pretty straightforward, but smooth edge, we can talk about that. Smooth edge allows you to create smooth edges whilst using a sized up pencil. But it only really works if you're drawing a shape. There's an eraser tool that allows you to erase, and there's a line tool which allows you to draw with lines. There's a fill tool which allows you to fill in an area, and there's a color picking tool which allows you to pick different colors. The stamp tool is where it gets really interesting. It's basically the stamp texture type, but in the texture. I'm not gonna lie, I use it quite often. And again, you'll still have your little stamp gallery to choose and pick from. Here are some experiments that I did with the fill tool. And here's a little smiley face I drew. And here are some more experiments with the stamp tool. Layers are very useful with high quality texturing, and they can be used in various ways. You can use layers to have certain things stick out on top of each other. Now let's say you only want to colorize a certain bit of your texture, you can use that with layers. All I'm saying is, layers are bloody useful. Now I hope most of you guys found this useful, and if I missed anything, be sure to tell me in the comments. See ya!